Okay, in this new section 4.3, we are dealing with slope. How do we find the slope? We have four sections here. First one, section 4.3.1, compute a line slope. So they could give you the problem could give you two points here in the point form. X coordinate, Y coordinate point form to let you calculate the slope, or they can show you as in a graph, let you identify 2 points. That's would be the same way. Now let's take a look at our checkpoint number 1. This is our page number 249. Two problems here. 2 points here. We can assume this is a point 1, P. This is a point 2. So x1 here, x1. This is y1, x2, y2. Use this is what we call the subscript form. As in our textbook number 248, we have a graph there on the top. The slope is represented as m. Change in y versus change over in the fraction will change over x. Okay, you can use the delta y delta x, or you can give it another name, rise over run. And in the mathematically, we can do that as use these represented y2 subtract y1 divided by x2 divided by x1. By the way, these 2 points actually is interchangeable. You can assume this one is P2, the second point. This one is first point. That will get you the same result. Okay, let's get the example here. A, purely doing the algebra. So you can see m equal to y2 subtract y1. y2 minus 2 subtract y1, 4. Divided by x2, negative 4, subtract negative 3. Be careful about the sign. Put in the negative in the parentheses. What you will see is negative 6 on the numerator. On the denominator, negative 4. This is actually plus 3. So negative 1, negative 6, and reduce to positive 6. So our first example, the slope m is 6. Okay, purely doing the algebra. The second example, B. These 2 points, doing the same way, we can label that m1. This is m2. y2 is 5. Subtract y1. Subtract negative 2 here. Careful. The sign. x2 is negative 1. x1 is 4. So the second example, 5 plus 2. This is denominator negative 5. So you should end up with 7, negative 5. That is the slope of the second one. Okay.